what's up? Now I'm gonna show you right now. Like I could have did a living of this, man. Could have done it professionally, but I have my knee, ACL and that.
Bro, you talk too much, bro.
See what I mean? See what I mean? Could have made it into the NFL. Odell Beckham who? It's Ozzy up in this bitch. Okay, that's a loser right there. It's a loser right there.
I don't smoke, bro. I don't smoke.
Yeah, the way you call it.
What's up?
Motherfuckers.
Welcome back for another video. So, you know, what we doing, man?
Bro, I just want to talk about how we're always on the news, man.
Like, free, bro. Like,
Bro,
I'm tired
rating
of this, bro.
skills. Hey, yo, fam, 3 hour, love a motor, side street motor. Give me my money, bro. I know you'll be making money off me, fam. Bro.
Caribbean Islands.
Wait. Fam, I'm making them stats. You know what?
Bro,
At least give me a job
You can check the
opportunity
statistics.
there. Give me a
You can
job
check the
opportunity.
statistics, you know. We're tired of this.
Don't cap! Like, fam, I'll be walking by, people be doing the Nate Robertson on me. They just literally, like that, fam. You know how disrespectful that is? I'm joking, man. I'm loving all these jokes, everything. Like, much love for everyone that hit me up in the DMs and was like, are you good and everything. Like, but bro, you racist Maltese people, you're a racist.
Yeah, that's too much. Let's talk about the video of Harold.
Yeah. Man really said,
Bro.
make it whack.
That's a Yo, let's check the comments before we... Cause...
Of the Facebook one, man.
Yeah.
Facebook. And yo, fam, but bro, this one, yeah? This one. First, let's see the video.
You need to show the guy, man.
Wait, let's show the video. Let's see the video.
The video first of all.
Yeah, the video first. Yeah.
You know, but wait, in a
Why
way...
was he looking up at me? Why was he
In a way. That's actually funny, bro. But people don't get
funny as shit.
But people don't get
Let me tell you what,
that's the
because
point. That's the...
Malta's close minded.
Yo, I
No disrespect, but like...
To be honest, like, I don't want to live here anymore.
No, but
Shut your big ass for
yo, can we say the truth, by the way?
No, like, no joke.
That shit all happened just because he was black.
Yeah.
Can we say that? Can we say that?
If it was a white guy who did that,
Exactly.
there would be no problem.
You're white.
No, I'm talking about both of you.
What?
You get
Hey,
me?
yo, don't ever disrespect me like that. You know man's African, bro. Alright, let's read the comments.
Yeah, the comments, bro. The comments. Okay, so this is the first comment.
I'll read that shit since that's not the best English. What's your problem with all these racist comments? And all he did was dance. And you're making a huge drama from it. Oh yeah, right. You're Maltese.
Bro,
I just violated.
that was actually disrespectful.
I just violated the whole of Malta like that.
But listen, he's right in a way. Bro, it was just a fucking dance. Come on, man. Bro, that was me, bro. That was me, you know.
This man
Don't
really
forget to
just
subscribe, bro. Guys,
just
if you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, you know, because 2K, guys, we need to get them before the end of...
Wait, someone said, that's not the middle of the road. It's the bus stop at Rabat. Get
For real,
a
bro,
life.
that was the bus stop, bro.
Okay, my life was
Well, see, after the day I ate the chicken and it fell on the floor. Loving Malta needs a serious look into the reporting. You
For
called
real.
the middle of the road.
For
seriously.
real. Hey, yo, thank you, fam. Like, no cap.
I just want to say, Madonna, narrow-minded. Thank you, much love. Why are the people not? Oh my God.
But listen, this is all positive, bro. In a way. Bro, what the fuck you going?
Where's your mask? Where?
Bro, he had the mask still.
Exactly. SEX. You're
Sex.
weird, fam.
Okay. What? No, never mind.
Banana party. Banana ummuk in عندي. Bro, this is the racist. If this man, no.
Like-
no. If this man was in front of me, I don't give a shit. Colin Attar. If you was in front of me or in front of him, you wouldn't have said this shit. You would have looked down like this and walked past. So I know you're a bunch of pussios, fam. No, I don't give a
now,
fuck,
chill,
bro.
Chill.
No, he wouldn't have said
Yo,
shit.
chill, bro. Alright, go on.
Keep away sheep from that food. Bro, you're about 90 years old. Shut the fuck up. How the fuck you
No,
even
actually,
see your
listen, let me tell you. The thing is that all the bad comments are from old people.
Yeah, boomers like that.
Yeah. Those
Yo,
all
I
those
think we
these
should
people
get the post that, what was her name? Ambrojo
That's the
Beach.
problem.
That guy.
Wait, fam. That,
Post it.
we'll go after, bro. After that.
The comments on that shit.
I know. So annoying. Ridiculous. Shut up, man. That's all I gotta say. Looks more like he is performing a sex act. What the fuck? What type of sex is you having, my bro?
Exactly.
What type
a
of
fucking
sex?
dance, bro. This is what you call it.
Allow.
No, like
What is your wife going through? That's all I wanna know.
Most probably never had
What is your wife going? If you call that sex, fam, I never saw a guy hit a woman like this. What type of sex position do you call that? Should we start calling it the Harold position?
the hard position, bro. Let's not even continue, bro. The thing is
No.
Listen.
The thing is that,
Take that pause, man.
bro. Then there was a retard. Yeah, what's his name?
Ambrojo something.
Clown something.
Yeah, clown. Wait.
Clown something. What's his name?
I don't know, fam.
Wait, let me check. I think
Irrelevant nigga.
I got it.
Cut.
I think I got it.
Irrelevant people, fam. I don't know them, but they know me. That's how it goes nowadays.
Ambrogio Raymond. Raymond il corrutto.
The clown has an
Beh, prof.
Wait, let me check. I think I got it here.
Yeah, another
Yeah,
one.
it's here. That's
Yeah,
it.
there it is.
Yeah.
Found it.
Wait.
Yeah, bro, look.
Look.
Yo,
Look,
but what
you know
he
what
said?
you
What he
think?
said? What he said?
No. He changed this shit. First he called him an immigrant, then he became
Yeah,
legal.
and then he knew. No, illegal.
Yeah.
Not only immigrant, but illegal as well, bro. Come on, man. Yo, what the fuck is
I really said you came like this.
Not just immigrant, but
Yo,
illegal.
who's
immigrant.
Omar Abdel Ghani though? I really just called, boy, your name is Raymond.
Imagine being called Raymond, bro.
Bro, imagine your mom hating you so much to be like, hey, yo, Raymond, I'm gonna call my son Raymond.
He changed it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, 'cause
Bro,
That's a
you're wondering about Raymond.
criminal, bro.
Ambrogio,
Come
bitch.
on.
What the fuck is Ambrogio?
Isn't that like Italian shit?
Exactly, but no one uses that shit. Like,
Yo,
oh,
Raymond, shut your big ass forehead.
Wait, bro,
Fiat
wait.
Punto looking ass.
Shoot your ass off.
Wait. There was
should see
someone.
the comments, man.
Comment, bro.
God damn
She
it,
said,
but listen.
you can take him out the jungle, but not the jungle out of him. You know what? I'll give you the props for that. That was really good. Bro,
That was a good bar still.
yeah, no, bitch really changed it to Shakespeare himself. She was like,
Bro,
That's a good bar.
bro, trust me. She talks like that, but face to face, she will tell Harold,
Bro, face
come
to
in.
Nah, man, face to
Come
face
in
it
and
would
put
be like.
that shit in on me.
Sorry, guys, I'm in front. That's
True,
the face to
true.
face that you see.
Yo, still,
Sure,
bro,
sure.
listen. All these comments over here.
ah,
they're racist.
okay. No. Let's allow this, yeah? Your name is Jurgen Attardo, okay?
Whoa.
Wait. No.
Let's see.
Yeah. Why look 15 and 30 at the same
Yo,
time?
but his airline is way worse than mine, though. Am I right?
Hey, bro, let's go
Yeah,
back.
his airline half of that, bro.
Look,
Wow.
bro.
Wow, man really sent an emoji of a monkey. Wait, what's his
Who's
name?
this? Bro, you actually look like a monkey, my nigga.
No.
No cap. Look at him, bro.
Listen, all I gotta ask is, how do you still know how to use a phone? Like, who taught you, man?
Nah.
Like, you're 90, you're a...
That's one, bro.
Anyway.
That's one.
Next one.
Next one, bro. I'm tired of you too, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? Come on, man. Every time on the news, bro. We need to stop this, bro.
Bro, it wasn't my fault. Like, okay, I crossed like this, yeah? I crossed like this. But fam, I am 6'3", weighing 95 kg. I'm Arabic, like, man's got like the little dark skin thing. Don't tell me you couldn't have seen me. Bro, I'm taller than the bus stop itself.
Look. Tin luckily walks away from ugly car. Ugly car. Without serious injuries. Look at the video.
Wait. Look how many steps I take. 1, 2, 3.
Boom.
And bro, she did not brake. She did not hesitate to hit the brake.
Hey, yo, man just did like.
She did not hesitate to hit the brake.
Oh my god, Nate Robinson by car. Boom.
She did not hesitate to hit the brake, but I ain't saying it's her fault. Like, it's my fault as well for not looking, but bro, come on, man.
Let me
Don't
check.
tell me
Let me
that.
check the comments. The comments, bro. I'm not gonna fall for her. Also me. Nah, bro, I'm dead, bro. People disrespected
Oh my
you on that
god,
one.
boing, boing, boing. Red Bull gives you wings. We copied that one, bro. There was another guy that
No,
said that.
insane.
Now on the 3 hour rule. Ryanair signed this guy out. Thank you, bro. Maltese. What? Maltese. I ain't Maltese, so bro. I ain't associated. So
It's not Maltese,
I don't
bro.
associate with you, fam. I'm sorry. The way his friend gave him an office. I love Moody. I love Moody from the bottom of my heart. Can I ask?
Wait. Let me check the video. Because Moody was shocked, actually.
Bro, I thought he
Moody
got
was-
hit by a car, fam. I thought he was the one that got hit by a car. Gee.
I think like physically you got hit, but mentally he got hit.
Yeah.
Moody was shocked.
Yeah.
Yo, but wait. Let me listen.
He said, ha 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 ha.
Miskin.
He said
Yeah.
miskin.
Yeah, exactly. You, the fucker who did the video.
What the fuck?
Miskin. I don't get this guy, man. Like for real.
I felt miskin for the car, bro, to be honest.
Bro, but...
But can we say something? Like,
Yeah.
it's not the car that hit you.
I hit the car.
Exactly. Let's just. point
Anyway,
it out.
guys.
That's it. That's the end
That's
of the
it,
video.
bro.
Thank you for whoever messaged me. But listen, I did this video.
I hope this was the last time we went
Wait,
on the
okay,
news
okay,
for
okay,
2020.
okay.
We'll be back on the news in 2021.
Alright,
for
but
sure.
let me finish this.
I mean, there are
Let me
even
finish
Christmas
this.
holidays,
Okay,
so
wait,
like-
let me finish
Yeah.
this. Let me finish this.
The year is not done. Love in Malta. We're coming again.
Wait, let me say this. Look, I did this video mostly not for the funny jokes and shit like that. I did this video mostly for you to learn from my experience. Learn from my mistakes. You get what I'm saying? Because now a motherfucker before he crossed, I look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 before I cross. So you gotta do that next time. Get what I'm saying? I'll only let the video up for people to look at it instead of going through it. So learn from my mistakes instead of going through the mistake to learn the experience. You get what I'm saying? But anyway,
Thank you, teacher Omar.
hey,
Thank you.
peace. Thank you, man.
See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with the local tugs. Coulda ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him love. Lil' bro got the poker touch, where we grow up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement.